Welcome to smartrookies TV. English Preposition Quiz. There are 10 questions. You have 10 seconds to read and choose the correct answer. You may pause the video if you need more time to read. Wish you the best of luck. He is afraid of dog. He was absent from school due to illness. She is very good at mathematics. The teacher was disappointed in the student's performance. She solved the problem with ease. He apologized for his mistake. The parent meeting has been postponed until further notice. I prefer coffee to tea. They congratulated her on winning the award. We arrived at the airport early in the morning. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.